Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install PostgreSQL on Windows 11 step by step. It's super easy, and by the end, you'll have PostgreSQL up and running on your machine. Let's dive right in. First, we need to download PostgreSQL. Open your browser and go to the official site. Next, click on Download. Choose Windows as your operating system. Download the installer, which contains PostgreSQL Server, pgadmin, the GUI tool, and Stack Builder, the package manager. There are different versions of PostgreSQL on this page for different operating systems. Download the latest version for Windows. Once downloaded, open the installer. The setup wizard will guide you through the installation. Just leave everything at the default, but you can change the defaults if you want. Create a database for the database super user. Now, just wait for the installation to complete. I'm not going to install the Stack Builder. You can install it if you want. Once installed, let's verify PostgreSQL is working. Open pgadmin from the Start menu. When it opens, it'll ask for the password you set during installation. Enter it, and boom, you're in. You can now create databases, run SQL queries, and start developing. And that's it. You've successfully installed PostgreSQL on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.